gonna make some super moist chocolate fudge cake. It's gonna taste super good. So, okay, first we're gonna take it out. Ready?
Yep, we're gonna take it out and open it up. Here, hold it, hold it. Use your fingers, go ahead, dump it. What's next?
It smells good.
Okay, what you gonna put next? I'm gonna touch it. Go ahead, read what we need for it.
We need 1/4 cup of water.
What else?
We need 1.5 vegetable oil, and we need 3 eggs.
1/4 water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs.
Yeah, the 3 eggs.
Go ahead, put the eggs in.
Did it wrong.
No, you didn't. You're doing good. Want me to do the last one? Or you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay, so 1/4 cup of water. I'll do the water and then you can do the oil.
Okay.
1/4. Here. Okay, I'll measure it out for you. Excuse me. Half a cup of oil. Go ahead. You can start mixing it. Be very careful not to spill it. Like that. Just grab it all in the bottom. Mix it.
This is the kind of consistency you should have with your batter when you're done mixing it.
Looks good. It's like pudding.
So, I'm going to spray this so it won't stick.
Not too much. Hold it up. Good. All around. There we go. Stop, stop, stop.
Okay, so we put it in for 350, and now we're gonna put it in.
We put the oven on for 350.
And we're gonna put it in for 25 minutes.
Right.
Okay, the cake is ready, and I'm gonna flip it on this dish.
Did it come out?
Oh yeah.
It looks so good.
Okay, so got this nice looking frosting, and we're gonna put it on the cake. Yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's still gonna be good.
Looks like a giant donut.
Happy video day to you. Happy video day to you.
Donut cake. Mm-mm.
I just want to get some in there.
There is the finished product.
It's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna show you how good it tastes and stuff. So every piece just looks so good.
Mm-hmm. It's a big piece.
I'm gonna eat it all.
Chocolate fudge cake.
I know I'm gonna do this.
Taste test.
Mmm.
Delicious. Hope you enjoyed our video making chocolate fudge cake. Alana did it all by herself.